To our new professionals, social media is everywhere and we are all using it. But is it helping or hurting your career? For many young professionals, social media is either their greatest tool or their biggest distraction. So which is it for you? Social media becomes a distraction when you scroll endlessly on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, or others without adding value to your work, especially during office hours. You use office internet to binge watch YouTube videos or download content instead of working. You waste downtime at work on TikTok instead of researching new topics or perhaps developing a skill of writing. The result? Lost time, low productivity, and missed opportunities for career growth. When social media becomes a tool, you use LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, or any other social media page to increase your company's visibility. You watch YouTube tutorials to help with a work-related task. You learn new skills through online courses to boost your professional growth. Your degree can get you the job, but how you use your time, especially online, determines how far you will go. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the top 1% of professionals who excel in their careers.